What's up, you guys? It's Wayne with Hunter's Vending, and I got the Hunter family rocking with me today, y'all. Hunter's Family Vending, and today I'm gonna be taking you guys along with us. What? Today I'm gonna be taking you guys to my new location, which is a mechanic shop. I'm gonna be taking a combo machine and showing you guys how to load the machine on the U-Haul trailer. All right, let's do it. Okay. Got it? Okay. Come on. You ain't got it? There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. You got it. There you go. Hey, do you hear this?
Can you try?
Man, look at that. You got that.
Look at the muscle. You okay? Yeah.
Today should be pretty interesting. You know, my wife Amy. Say hi, Amy.
Hi.
But yeah, my wife is riding with me today, and she usually tries to come with me as much as she can, but we just had our newborn baby, so it's been very lonely without her. But she's been the one that helps me with loading the machines and putting credit card readers on. Pretty much everything I do, she does. So yeah. So right now we're headed to pick up my dad's truck so that we can haul the vending machine. So got about a cool 20-minute drive to pick up his truck and swap cars with him. And then from there, we're gonna head to U-Haul. Yeah, I got this location from Facebook. I posted a Facebook ad about a free vending machine. And got quite a bit of people wanting a vending machine. No footwork, all computer, y'all. That's skills right there. Yeah, got skills, huh? I know it. Yeah, let them know. Let them know. Sure. Let them know. Yeah. I know that she knows that we know that I go. All right, so we're here. This truck right here. Stop, and that's U-Haul. So we're gonna go ahead and pick this up. And oh, look at that lighting on your boy. Look at the lighting, boy. Look at him. Look at him. Look at your husband, girl. I was just but so far everything's going smooth. Got my wife, so I can't lose. What happens when you work?
You get stuff.
You get stuff. So when you work, you can get your own stuff, huh? Yeah? Are you working today? What you working on today?
Vending machine.
Speak up, I can't hear you.
Vending machine.
Speak up, I can't hear you.
Vending machine.
Yay. Just made it to U-Haul, y'all. You ready to get our trailer? Yeah. Well, let's get it.
So what we're doing is backing up.
slow?
Nah, I actually found a U-Haul right next to my place.
Oh, cool.
So that's why I really.
That's good. Save time.
Take your time to go up. Yep. Ain't no momentum pull or nothing. Just... Alright, you have to get over that first bump. 1, 2, 3. How we load it. Gotta make sure you have We loaded. Aria, we loaded and ready to go. Yeah. Okay, that's okay. So, Mom, how hard was that to load from 1 to 10? Based off of the duty that you did. Be honest. 1 to 10. 10 being the hardest, 1 being the easiest.
5.
It was a 5?
Yeah,
All right,
because it's been a minute since I...
Yeah, since she helped me. Right now we're waiting on some help, you know. I want to get somebody to help me so that my wife can videotape so you guys can see this process right here. So, patience. Don't be scared to ask for help. You guys need a machine too?
What is this? Ah, that needs to be nice. Any help?
Alright. You two can get in the bag. I'm gonna push it. Matter of fact, I would rather you just push it.
I'd rather take that on.
Alright. So 1, 2, 3, go push. Alright, you let it down. Jack it up. Which one should go?
Push,
There you go.
push down. Getting down and dirty.
Yo, Edgar, right? Hey, let me know when you're gonna be out of here, so I'll finish another time. Yep. Just let me know. On my way to my mechanic location to fill up the rest of the empty slots and hit up a new location on the way. And I possibly just got 2 locations in one. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I got 11 locations. Y'all gonna witness some true growth, man. Let's get it. Still gotta fill it up. This section right there, this section right there, there. Let's see what we're working with in one day. All right, so we got about, let's see, it's about $8 in there for one day. That's cool, man. Can't complain with that. Let's see. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, about 12. So once I fill it all the way up, it should be good, y'all. All right, so I had about $12, $13 in it. Man, that's good. That's good for a combo machine. It's looking like a pretty good location. We're gonna go ahead and load it up, man, so we could double up on the funds, y'all. Appreciate you guys watching the video. Tune in for the next one. I'm gonna be showing you guys what my mechanic location did in 1 week. You guys, I'm gonna be growing a whole lot. I have 11 locations and I plan on having 20 by the end of winter so that I can reap the harvest when summer comes, man. That's the goal, that's the plan, and follow me. We out.